Okay, good morning children. Yesterday we discussed about the whale shark, whale, then what about next, and schools of fish, isn't it? That already learned. Then today we are going to discuss about the different types of sea animals. What are the different types of sea animals, different types of fish? Then what are they, children? What are the different types of sea animals that you can already seen here? Look here, children. Different types of sea animals. This one, sea urchin, lobster, eel, red snapper, octopus, clam, prawn, parrotfish, jellyfish, cuttlefish, squid, crab, silver, pomfret. These are the different types of sea animals. That in this sea animals, some fish you can isn't it? Then which one? Eel, that you already know, and red snapper. Red snapper also, you know what is red snapper means? That we are using that fish, red snapper, and we will get it here. And prawn also, you know, prawn, crab, silver pomfret, that also you look here, that is the, it is also, we will get it, this silver pomfret also, cuttlefish, squid, these are knowing, isn't it? So different types of, what are the different types of sea animals? That is lobster, writing the children, different types of sea animal, lobster, red snapper, red snapper, red snapper, silver pomfret, silver pomfret, crab, crab, fire prawn, crab, prawn, cuttlefish, cuttlefish, silver pomfret, then red snapper, lobster, red snapper, then octopus, jellyfish, octopus, jellyfish, sea urchin, and one more, that is squid, clam, parrotfish, like that. Then these are the different types of sea animals: lobster, red snapper, silver pomfret, crab, prawn, cuttlefish, octopus, jellyfish, sea urchin, clam. Then here this red snapper, silver pomfret, crab, prawn, cuttlefish, and clam, that we are using that fish, that sea animals. And next here given some shapes already given here. What are the shapes? Yes, look here, some shapes already given here, and we can make use of these shapes and draw this type of some sea animals. You can draw it. That you have to do it in the your assignment time. What is your assignment time? That is now, that is started 12 to 12:45. That is your assignment time. That time you can make use of that time. How can you use that time, children? You can make use of these shapes, and from these shapes you can draw some fish. From this fish you can draw it. Yes, listen, one example is already given here. Then yes, this oval shape triangle and this shape already used for drawing the fish. And next to this one, lobster, already given here, this triangle and this shape used, and they draw this lobster. Likewise, you can make use of these shapes, that you can do it in the assignment time. Okay, next one is, which of these sea animals have you seen before? Which of these sea animals have you seen before? Before you saw that eel, red snapper, clam, prawn, cuttlefish, squid, silver pomfret, crab. That already seen, that you can write it in your notebook. Which of these sea animals have you seen before? That you have to write in your notebook. Which are they? Which are the sea animals? And you have to write this also in your notebook. What are the different types of the sea animals? Okay. And next one is fishermen in their boats. How many of you have seen the sea? All of you have seen the sea, isn't it? In your that is in real. How deep do you think the sea could be? How deep do you think the sea? The depth of the sea, that is in thousands of meter. That is the depth of the sea is the thousands of meter. And next one, do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim? And would you be scared of the high sea waves? Are you scared for that high sea waves? Okay. Then close your eyes. Imagine the sea with waves rising high. Imagine. Close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. That you have to see and imagine that. And how high do you think the waves can go? How high that the waves can go? That the waves, I think 4 or 5 meter in ordinary waves. Otherwise, in the tsunami time, that is 40 or 50 meters will be high. Okay. And imagine that there are fishermen in their boats going up and down with the waves. Fishermen in their boats, that also you have to imagine. Then fishermen in the boats, and they are going with a high up and down with the waves. They start their trip when it's still at dark. And some go on a simple boat. What is the simple boat? Simple boat means that is a log boat. Then different types of boats are also. So what is the use of these boats, children? What is the use of this boat? This boat is used for catching fish, isn't it? And different types of boats are also log boat, machine boat, and motor boat, long tail boat. These are the different types of boats. And in log boat, that is a small one. That is simple one and boat made with logs of the wood. That is logs, so that is made by logs of wood tied together. That is the simple boat. And that boat, if the sea is rough with very high tides and strong wind, then the fishermen have a very difficult time. If the strong wind and very high tides, then they can't move, especially with this log boat. And these log boats do not go very far. The wind is helpful. They travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. 4 kilometers the log boat is travel. The log boat is travel. Log boat travel 4 kilometers in 1 hour. If that is the wind is helpful, if the wind is helpful, then the log boat can travel 4 kilometers in 1 hour. If the wind is very strong wind and very high tides, then they can't move because of this log boat. That is a simple boat. And so here the one question is here, how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? How long? The log boat travel 4 kilometers in 1 hour. How long will they take? How long? Question is, how long will they take to travel 10 kilometers? Take to go to a distance of, take to go to a distance of 10 kilometers. Distance of 10 kilometers. That you can do it in your mind. The log boat travel 4 kilometers in 1 hour. 4 kilometers in 1 hour. 1 hour means that is 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. In that 60 minutes or 1 hour, that travel 4 kilometers. How long will that take? Will the log boat take to go to the distance of 10 kilometers? In 4 kilometers, that is in 1 hour they can travel 4 kilometers. Then 2 hours they can travel 8 kilometers, isn't it? In 1 hour they can travel 4 kilometers and in 2 hours they can travel 8 kilometers. Then remaining in that 2 kilometers. That 2 kilometer means half of that. That is half of 1 hour. Then 2.5 hours. Okay. Then that you can do it. Write in that question. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? Now, logboard travel 4 kilometer. Logboard travel 4 kilometer. That is in 1 hour. That is in 1 hour. The logboard travel 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Then logboard travel 10 kilometer is equal to logboard travel 10 kilometer is equal to 10 by 4 hour. 10 by 4 hour means 10 by 4, that is 2.5, isn't it? 10, 4, 2, 8, 2, 20, 0, now 0 and you put a point. 2.5 hour. 2.5 hour means 2 hours and 30 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 0.5, that is half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. So 2 hour and 30 minutes. 2 hour and 30 minutes. Did you understand? Now it's getting that, children. Logboard travel that 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Within 1 hour, that logboard can go 4 kilometer. So logboard travel for 10 kilometers is equal to 10 by 4 divided 10 divided by 4. That is 10 divided by 4, 10 by 4 hour. That means 2.5 hour, 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half an hour means 30 minutes. So that 0.5, that is 30 minutes. So 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. You can write it this one. And I will give you another homework. Classwork already given, isn't it? In the assignment time, you can draw that fish by make use of that shades. You can make use of that shades and draw some sea animals so that you can do it in the assignment time. And next one is homework. This one is the homework. Logboard travel 4 kilometer in 1 hour. How long will the take to go for a 12 kilometer? This one is the homework. Logboard travel 4 kilometer in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how long will they take to go to a distance of 12 kilometer? Okay, bye.